So now we're out shooting our target from a different angle. Previously, we were over there where the tape measure is, and now we are 90 degrees away. We have our camera module, our laser, and we're running the code to take the images. Here we are on the last side of our scan for our target. We're gonna run into some problems later because the ground is not perfectly flat. As you can see, we're in a mulch bed. However, if I go on the other side of this retaining wall, it would be flat, but we'd be too close to the fountain to get a good image of it. So after taking all of our pictures for our scan, we use Color Picker to filter the H, S, and V values. As you can see here, we have a good representation of what we want to display from our image. And then after that, we take all of our pictures, which are in this Cloud One folder, as you can see. And then we run our data generation code here in the terminal. And as you can see, this loaded in every picture and extracted the data from it. And then here is our scan. So you can see here is the curvature of the fountain, and then back here is our retaining wall. We'll put this into MATLAB and we'll get a better image later. So you just finished making the 3D cloud of our third side of our target. Next up will be the fourth side after doing the color picker so that we can scan for the red laser line and get rid of a lot of the data we don't need. So after we've run the Raspberry Pi code, we end up with text files that have coordinate data for each of the laser lines. As you can see here, we have data points, and then we run it through this MATLAB code that essentially parses each point and then places it on this graph here. And as you can see, we have all four sides of our target, which is the well. And here's like side one, here's side two, the back side and the left side. And for our final project, we're gonna go through some of these data points and remove the extraneous ones, like these ones back here that are picking up from the retaining wall, because we don't need that in our final project. But the four sides look pretty good, and we can use the MATLAB code and position these better so that they're closer. But for now, this looks pretty good.